In this video, we are going to make our own voice apps. So starting with, what is a voice app? So we heard about Android apps, iOS apps, Windows apps, etc. In similar manner, for voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, we do have voice apps. Now still, if you're not clear about what is a voice app or what voice application actually is, let me just show you some examples of voice application on my Alexa smart speaker.
Alexa, roll a dice.
6.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
A man got hit in the head with a soda can. He's alright though. It was a soft drink.
So those were some of the examples of voice application on Alexa. Now after knowing about what it is, let's start making our own voice app. Yes, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own voice application, and the project that I'm covering in this video is we are going to make our own password keeper on Alexa. Now what it is, let me just show you a demo.
Tell me my Facebook password.
Your Facebook password is XYZ@123.
So this worked perfectly fine, and yeah, it's working.
I know. This is not at all a practical option for storing the password, but hey, come on. This looks very cool, isn't it? And well, this is the easiest project to get started with making our first voice application. And well, don't ever underestimate the power of a voice application, because well, we can also make some actual practical, interesting, working voice applications using the method which I'm going to show you in this video. And well, I'll also let you know some of the practical projects at the end of the video that you can make using the voice application. So that's enough about the introduction of this voice app. Let us jump onto the computer and start making our first application.
So for making our own voice application, we'll be using a website called Voiceflow. So you have to go to the voiceflow.com and click on this login button. You can use your Google account for directly signing in onto this website. So I'll do that same process here. I'll click on this Google button and log in with my Google account. So that's it. We are inside our Voiceflow account. Now we can create our projects here. So for that, you have to click on this new project button. Your project name, well, I will name it as my passwords, as I'm going to make my password keeper project for this demo purpose. Okay. After that, you have to select the region and the language. I'll select as English, that's Indian English. Okay. And after that, I'll click on this create project button. So with this, we have successfully created a new project, and as you can see, this is how the project looks like. This is a whole canvas where we can just drag and drop the blocks, and by default there is already one block here on my canvas, which is termed as home. Okay, so what does this home block means? So basically, to open the application on that Alexa smart speaker, we have to say something, and that is mentioned here on the home block. Okay, so whenever we say Alexa open my passwords, my password is like the application name which I have given. In your case, it may be different. Okay, so whenever I say Alexa open my password, then it will open that application that we are going to just create right now. Okay, so that's what all about the home block. Similarly, we have many different kind of blocks that we'll be taking into the consideration while making the actual working voice application. We have speak block, choice block, intent prompt, then we have some logic blocks, integration block, and so on. There are so many blocks that will be useful in different scenarios while making different projects. For this particular video, for this particular demo project, I'll be keeping it very simple, very easy to learn. Hence, I'll be using only 1 or 2 blocks into this video, but soon in future, I will making some new projects, and in that project, I'll be using different blocks of this Voiceflow websites. Okay, so let's start with our project. So as soon as we open that application, what we need to do, we want Alexa to speak something. Okay, so I'll just drag and drop this speak block, and here we have to let the code know that what you want to hear from Alexa. So I will type as welcome to the application. Which password do you want to know? Okay, so I just wrote welcome to the application. Which password do you want to know? Okay, let's just see how the statement is will be spoken by Alexa. I will click on this play button.
Welcome to the application. Which password do you want to know?
So that was from the Alexa. Well, here we can also change the voice assistant. We can select many different kind of voices. For my case, as I live in India, I will just select this Indian English language from Aditi, and let's hear from Aditi now.
Welcome to the application. Which password do you want to know?
Now that sounds much better, at least to me. In your case, you can choose any of your sound as per your choice. Then we can also add some effects, like we can add some break, like short break, paragraph break, volume, like soft volume, medium, loud, okay, speech rate, and so many modulations that we can do inside that voice, okay. We do have a kind of effect called as a whisper effect. Let's just test this effect right now, okay. So if I just copy the whole sentence, cut it and paste it here, and now if I click on this play button, let's hear the difference.
Welcome to the application. Which password do you want to know?
So you heard, like we can have so many effects that are provided in the Voiceflow website. Okay, right now I'll remove this effect and keep it as simple as possible. Okay, so as soon as we open the password, we want Alexa to speak this. For that we have to connect this dot or this block with this. Okay, so now we have connected this block. So as soon as we say open password, Alexa will say this much sentence in response. Okay, now we want the user to tell or give some inputs to Alexa, like I want to know my Facebook password, my Instagram password, the Twitter password, so on. Okay, so we want some inputs from the user. To get the inputs, we have to click on this choice block. Okay, so I'll drag and drop here the choice block. Now here we have to create paths. Okay, we can create any number of paths according to our project. Okay, so first path which I'm going to create is my Facebook password. Okay, you can just consider it as a variable. You can give the name according to your choice. In my case, the path name my Facebook password is good to go. I'll just create this path. Now here I need to provide the sentences which a user must be giving input to the Alexa. Okay, so the sentences can be, tell me my Facebook password. Okay, I'll click on this enter button. Now we can add many different synonymous sentences, like the user can also say my Facebook password. Okay, short and simple. So user can say this as well. Okay, well, I will add one more synonymous sentence. Let's take example as let me know my Facebook password. Okay, so here are the three sentences which ultimately means the same, but here we have to provide many different sentences because the user can say anything, can ask anything. Okay, it depends upon the user. So for my case, I just added these three synonymous sentences. Now I will add one more path for my Instagram password. Okay, so for that you just need to create on add path button, and I will give the variable name as my Instagram password. Great. Here again we have to provide the sentences which the Alexa must be expecting as an input from the user. I'll simply copy the sentences from here and paste it here and replace the Facebook word with Instagram word. Okay, so I've created two different paths for two different websites, Facebook and Instagram. That's it. I'll keep it two in my case or for this demo project. Okay, so now I will connect this block with this one. Okay, so as soon as Alexa just completes saying this particular sentence, it will be waiting for user to give some inputs. Maybe he can ask for Facebook password, maybe he can ask for Instagram password. But what if the user gives input other than what was expected, like other than Facebook, Instagram? What if user asks, tell me my Twitter password? Well, that is not at all programmed in this voice application. For that, we'll be using this else part of this block. Okay, what we can do, we can add a speak block here. So in case the user asks anything other than what was expected, we can just tell Alexa to give response as, oops, I don't know that. Great. And again, this will be in the voice of Aditi. Great. So I'll connect this block with the else part of this block. Okay, so as soon as the user tells anything unexpected, it will just say, oops, I don't know that. And after that, it will start the application all over again from here. Welcome to the application. Okay, so this will happen when user tells any unexpected statement. But what if user asks particularly for Facebook and Instagram password? What we need to do? Well, you must have seen on to different platforms or different websites that to recover any password, you need to provide or you need to give the answer for a security question, or maybe you need to provide any alternate email ID. So there are kind of a security gateway, a security question, okay? And in case you answer that question correctly, then only you will get to know your password, or then only you will be able to create a new password. And similar manner, we have also created or will be creating a gateway kind of thing, a secret question kind of thing, and if the user can answer that question correctly, then only he can retrieve the password. Okay, for that I will again add the speak block here. Okay, and let's take the example of Facebook password. Okay, so I'll write as to know your Facebook password, tell me the secret passcode. Okay, and well, let's just add an effect here. Okay, let's just hear it from the voice of Aditi. Okay, so let me just play this.
To know your Facebook password, tell me the secret password.
Well, this sounds much more realistic, right? So I'll keep it as it is and just connect this my Facebook password path with this block. Okay, similarly I'll copy this block and paste it here on the canvas. Okay, replace the Facebook term with Instagram. Okay, and connect this block with my Instagram password path. Okay, so we have created 3 blocks for 3 different conditions. Okay, so now Alexa needs some input, need that secret password from the user. For that again we will use the choice block. Okay, here I'll create a path called passcode. Okay, so this is again a variable, you can name it according to your choice. And here we need to write that particular statement that is expected from the user. In this particular case, we need to write that secret passcode. And let's just keep the secret password as subscribe my channel. So this is the secret passcode that you need to tell to retrieve the password. Okay. Similarly, I'll copy this block and paste it here in the canvas. Okay. And connect both the blocks with the respective Facebook and the Instagram blocks. Great. Now, what if the user, don't know the secret passcode, or he just forgot the secret passcode? What we need to do? The code will go into the else part of this block, and let's just add a speak block here. In case the user tells the wrong passcode, what Alexa will say? I think you forgot the secret passcode. This will be in the voice of Aditi. Okay, so as soon as the unexpected statement is received, it will just pick I think you forgot the secret passcode, and it will start the code again from here. Great. Similarly, I'll copy this block and use it for the Instagram as well. Okay, I'll just connect the else part of this block to here and start the code again from here. That's it. So this will happen in case the user tells the wrong passcode. But what if the user tells the right passcode? We need to provide the actual password. For that, we'll use the speak block here. And we'll write the statement as your Facebook password is maybe xyz@123. Okay, this will be again in the voice of Aditi. Okay, and this will be connected with this passcode path. Similarly, I will copy this block and paste it here for Instagram, and connect this passcode with this one. I'll edit this as your Instagram password is maybe abc@123. Great. So that was the first voice application that we made for password storing. Okay, well, if you don't have Alexa, you can still test this application here on the website only. For that, you just need to click on this prototype button and just click on start test.
Welcome to the application. Which password do you want to know?
Okay, so we are into the application and now it is waiting for the user input. Let me just say, let me know my Facebook password.
To know your Facebook password, tell me the secret password.
Okay, so the secret passcode is subscribe my channel.
Your Facebook password is xyz@123.
So that is the Facebook password, and yeah, our voice application is successfully running. So now is the time to upload this application into the actual Alexa smart speaker. And for that, you just need to click on this upload to Alexa button. Well, in my case, I already logged into my Amazon account, but in your case, as soon as you click on this button, it will be asking for your Amazon account credentials on which your Alexa smart speaker is connected. Just enter that, and you are good to go to upload your own voice application to your Alexa smart speaker. Okay, so the application is successfully uploaded. Let's just head to the Alexa smart speaker and test this project. Alexa, open my password.
Welcome to the application. Which password do you want to know?
Well, tell me my Instagram password.
To know your Instagram password, tell me the secret password.
Subscribe my channel.
Your Instagram password is abc@123.
That's correct. Let's just test it by giving wrong inputs. Alexa, open my password.
Welcome to the application. Which password do you want to know?
My Facebook password.
To know your Facebook password, tell me the secret password.
Well, I don't know.
I think you forgot the secret passcode.
Yeah.
To know your Facebook password, tell me the secret password.
Subscribe my channel.
Your Facebook password is xyz@123.
Well, that's interesting. When I just give my commands with the whisper sound, it gives the response with the whisper sound only. That was really smart, and it's working actually. Try it out on your Alexa and let me know, is it works in similar manner, like whisper in, whisper out? Let me know.
So this is how you can make your own voice applications using Voiceflow. Now the question is, what are the different kind of projects, that useful projects that we can make using like voice application? I will definitely let you know that, but before that, I need your involvement in this video. Do click the like button and show me that how much you loved this video and this concept. Do like it right now, and well, also let me know in the comments about, were you already aware about this website called Voiceflow, or is this the first time you heard about this term or this website? Let me know your thoughts in the comment. And that being said, let me just show you that what different kind of projects we made using Voiceflow. So we made our own voice applications for controlling the appliances of the studio.
Alexa, open my project.
How can I help you?
Turn on red LED.
Turned on red LED.
Yes, this is not Syndic or any third-party voice platform. This is completely made by our team, and well, there are some APIs running behind this application, that the Blink APIs are running, but the voice application was totally developed by our team. So yeah, that project you can make by your own using Voiceflow. And well, not only that, we do have made one more application, and well, that is an exclusive project which is not at all possible with any third-party platform, any third-party application. And well, we already have control appliances using Alexa. Well, there is nothing like rocket science in it, so there's nothing difficult in it. But have you ever tried asking Alexa about the status of your appliances or the temperature of your room? Well, that was not possible, I think, with any third-party platform which I have used at least. But now that can be done using the Voiceflow by making our own voice application. Let me show you the demo.
Alexa, open project.
How can I help you?
What's the status of red LED?
The status of red LED is on.
So yes, now Alexa can also let you know the live status of your appliances. And well, if I attach a temperature sensor to an IoT hardware, and I can ask Alexa to let me know the temperature of that particular room. Yes, this is possible now thanks to voice applications. So these and many other voice applications you can easily make using Voiceflow. So now what do you think? Should I make a separate tutorial video regarding the projects that I showed you in this video? Should I? What do you think? Let me know in the comments regarding your thoughts. And that being said, I'm ending this video here. Now talking personally about me, then I really love this Voiceflow application, this Voiceflow platform, and I am looking forward for exploring many other features of the Voiceflow. and maybe I can upload like different tutorials regarding the different applications that can be possible or that can be made using the Voiceflow website. So do subscribe my channel in case you want to see more such projects using Voiceflow. You can also follow me on Instagram for daily updates regarding techiesms. And yeah, just ending this video here. Subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and now just wait for my next video, and then explore, learn, share with me, techiesms.